Well, ticklers, boy do we have an exciting day today. However, I do have some news. I will meet you guys in the garage. That is right, we sold the Z125 and the CBR is the only bike in the garage again for like the fourth time in the past 8 months. However, I sold it 2 days ago on the 11th and today's the 13th. And I'm heading out to Burleson, Texas. It is about 40 minutes away to check out another 2009 YZ250F. And if all goes good, we're going to be coming home with that bike for a really good deal. And I'll fill you guys in on that. And guy's a super nice guy. I'm going to head out there and check it out. And hopefully we come home with the bike. All right, we are joined here with Lucas once again. Saw him in the shooting video. We got the helmets, got straps, ramp that we borrowed from Bonar Garage. I'll leave his link below. Go ahead and check them out. But anyway, we're about 15 minutes out, and then we'll check out this YZ. We're only about 5 minutes out, so next time I check in with you guys, we may have a bike. Well, I'm sure you can tell. Take a look back there. Yeah, we went ahead and picked up the bike. So I'll do a full reveal and everything once we get home. It's a little dirty, I'm gonna wash it up. But test rode it and it is freezing cold. It is like 40 degrees out and raining. I mean, you can take a look out there. It's miserable outside. My hands were freezing, my face was frozen, my feet are frozen, but the bike ran really, really good. You know, every gear, its power is like distributed evenly, and you know, I got it for a steal. So if somehow the man who sold me this bike stumbles across the video, I didn't tell him the YouTube channel or anything, thank you so much. Really hooked me up good. So I'll go ahead and show you the bike once we get home. Well, here's a nice view of the new bike. It is a 2009 Yamaha YZ250F, just like my other 250F that I had at the beginning of the start of my channel. That was also an 09, but this one is a little bit better and I got a better deal on it. So if any of you have seen my old videos or you go back and watch them, you will know that my old YZ was running very lean and had a lot of engine pops, and the valves probably need to be checked and adjusted. This one has a brand new hot rod crank in the bottom end and a brand new Wiseco top end, and the valves were just checked and cleared. So everything is solid on this bike. Starts up first or second kick, and that's cold, and it runs like a dream. You know, no pops or anything. Along with the fresh top and bottom end, it also has a brand new clutch, has SMS suspension front and rear, has Excel rims, Pro Taper fat bars, and I think that's pretty much it. I can't really think of anything else, but it's a very nice setup, and I got it for a steal of a price. So I guess one thing I did forget is it also has a Trail Tech kickstand, which my other one did as well, which is really nice because I like doing trail riding. But anyway, the only stuff that's wrong with this one that I've dug into yet, the subframe is perfectly fine. It's perfectly straight as an arrow, just like my last one was, which is really nice. This one, you know, the graphics are peeling a little bit. They weren't put on that well, but I'm not a huge fan of these graphics. I'll probably be replacing them at some point. There were a lot of stickers like on the airbox cover and everything that I already tore off. I need to go into the swing arms and get all those off. Other than that, I'll probably replace the crank and engine covers just to give it a cleaner look. And the airbox is dirty and the air filter is filthy, so I'll be cleaning that and oiling that and just cleaning everything out. And the front wheel bearings, the dude said, I can't talk. The guy said it had brand new bearings and seals all around, but the front wheel bearing seems to be a little shot, so no big deal. If that's the only thing that's wrong is the front wheel bearing and the airbox needing to be cleaned, 2,000 bucks, you can't beat it. All right, anyway, it is like 35 degrees. It's freezing cold in my garage. I'm probably gonna just take out the air filter and clean it, and I'll oil it and everything tomorrow. Yeah, you guys can see in there, this is just disgusting, and there's lots of dirt and dust and everything. I'm just gonna take off the air filter, spray it with some WD-40 all inside of there, wipe it all out, dry it out, and I'll go ahead and soak that, clean it all out, and I'll oil it probably tomorrow because I don't have the oil yet. All right, there's your before look at it, and I'll go ahead and show you the after now. There we go, it's all cleaned up. I went ahead and stuffed some paper towels in the air boot just to make sure nothing falls in, because I'm gonna take the filter inside, clean it all up, and then it's probably not gonna go back on the bike until I oil it tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all of this because I don't want any dirt falling into the air boot whenever, you know, I'm riding. So go ahead and just clean that up. The bike needs a wash. It came very filthy, so just lots of dirt everywhere. You can kind of see, but go ahead and wash it tomorrow because it's supposed to be a little bit warmer. So I'll probably just take it out and rinse it down tomorrow. But anyway, this is probably the last time you're gonna see it for tonight. You guys will see it tomorrow once it's all ready to go and ready to be washed. All right, well, it's been about 2 days. The YZ is still here. I still haven't washed it. The weather's still really bad. It's like 40 degrees out and raining again. It's not gonna get up into the 50s and 60s until, you know, a few days from now. I got other stuff that I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a halt on the YZ, and I'll get back to it in a few days whenever I can wash it, and then we'll pick up back on this video. But yeah, if you guys wanna, you know, keep up with the whole YZ series, if that's what you want to call it, next video should be coming out. You guys will see it in about a week. I'll be working on this in another couple days or so. But here's the bike once again. Glad we picked it up, got a really good deal on it, and you guys should be seeing some dirt bike content coming soon. But anyway, love every single one of you guys, and until the next video, I am out.